How do you turn off the recently used apps on Android? Let me guide you through it and show you how you can stop that from being tracked. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So, of course, you can go to the settings and find the digital well-being and parental controls. And at the top, you have all of the data and information. But if you want to turn it off, you're going to tap the three dots in at the top right. Go to the settings and find the usage data access. And by default, it's going to be turned on, or as long as you can track the data, it means that it is enabled. But if you click on it, it's going to guide you to another settings page, right? You can see that you can tap on the settings and basically just turn off the permission. And if you disable it, you will not allow the service to track your usage across the phone. So it means that you can do stuff on the phone, but it's not going to be tracked or stored in the digital well-being section, and you will not be able to see the breakdown of how much time has been spent on various different apps and so on. So that is something which you probably are looking to do. Outside of that, you can as well manage notifications or the SIM cards and so on. But yeah, that's something which you might be interested in. Let me know if you found what you needed. I hope I was able to show you the important stuff. Thanks a lot for watching and stick until the end. And I will see you later in the future uploads. Only if you subscribe, so do that and you'll never miss anything.